it's your girl Red coming to you with a early morning friend mail, and this is from my group Queens of Craft, and this is from one of the girls in my group, Jennifer Gordon, and we did a swap and she sent me some amazing items in this box. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of all my giveaways and everything like that. So I'm just trying to, I've already opened it, pull everything out. We do a lot of swaps in my group. She is one of my moderators in my group. She is an awesome person. She is really great. So first she sent me this loaded flip book, and I haven't really attempted to make one of these yet. It looks kind of complicated to me, but I am trying. So this is very pretty. She handmade this and she did a wonderful, amazing job. Like, seriously, when you open it, it is so beautiful. It has lots of little goodies and stuff inside of it. Excuse me. Some washi tape. I mean, it has a lot of beautiful stuff. A notebook. It's pretty. And that print, I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually on the paper as well. That is really beautiful. A little pack of washi tape. This little chalkboard star, that is so cute. A homemade envelope. The envelope has paper inside of it, different paper. That's cute. Aww. I always love everything everybody sends me, and I love to do swaps because, I mean, there's nothing better than getting Happy Mail, friend mail, pen pal mail. You know, this very pretty. I mean, it is. It's really fun to do. For those of you that have never done it, I mean, because like for some of us that don't work and we're home, like I don't work, my man does. For medical reasons is why I don't work right now. So I'm home, and it's just something really fun and amazing to do. She sent me this. So pretty. Some pretty stuff. And then there's a bunch of cards. A bunch of different cards. This stuff is so pretty. I love this. I love the way the envelope is made and the card. Then this card, that's so pretty. Really, really pretty stuff, guys. Ooh, excuse me. Little frame cut out. It's a lot of little stuff in here. A lot. Big frame cut out. And that is not it. And that's what the inside of it looks like without the stuff in it. It's a flip book, like a folder. And then there's like a pocket that she made in the inside of this. And it has stuff in it as well. Oh. Okay, something something off in here. It's a little baggie. With stuff in it. Get it out. Oh, there's a bunch of cute little tags. These are so cute. I love getting little tags and stuff. Little die cuts and things like that. And then there's just a bunch more little thingies. Little baggie. This is so cute. Okay, and then that's not it. And then she sent a loaded envelope, and I do make a lot of these. I mean, not a loaded envelope. She made a loaded bag. I make a lot of these. So she put a little pull out right here. And these are really cute. She decorated it. And there's just a little note in the inside. That's really pretty. And she also sent me one of those. A blank one to put together for myself. Oh, that's cute. She sent me some little paper clips and things. Oh, that is so cute. A little magnetic bookmark. Bunch of stuff inside here also. More washi tape. Can never have too much washi tape. Another card. This is very pretty and unique. The card. The card looks homemade. Sure. See. And then there's a bunch of stuff down off in the inside of this. Pull all this stuff out. I think that's it. And this is what it looks like. And she made her bag homemade. She made this herself. You can also go and buy those and put them together, but she made hers, and that's really, really beautiful. Put a little foot on here. And there's also a bunch of those, so I'm not going to dump them out, like different ones off in here. So cute. Oh, and a pen. It's very pretty. And there is these little envelopes. There's so many different ones. These little envelopes right here. These are so cute. There's different ones, different designs on them. Those are really cute. And Pennsylvania, which I'm guessing that's where she's from. I don't remember read on thing, but a little information about Pennsylvania postcard. These things are so adorable. I love those. And then she sent this little, it's like a pocket thing. right here. That's cute. I think she put one of those on the front of her loaded bag. Oh, these are really cute. I'm a sucker for stickers. And they're chalkboard stickers. You can write on those. Yay. I love those. And then she sent some stationery paper inside here. And last, in this bag right here, we have, what do we have? I didn't go through all of it. I just opened it. Okay, we have some more like stationery, just different paper, different stationery paper and stuff. A lot of different papers. Yeah. This is really pretty. Yeah, it's just different types of stationery paper. And that is everything that she sent, which is quite a bit. Thank you so much, girl. I really appreciate everything. And if anybody is interested in crafting or doing swaps, join Queens of Craft, my group. You do not have to be a expert crafter, because I'm not, and I wasn't. I got into it. Actually, I was bored. I was looking for different stuff to do. I've always done like little different things around the house, home decor stuff, but as far as paper crafting, I never in a million years thought I would be doing paper crafting or get into paper crafting and stuff. I never thought. And then I just started watching YouTube videos and looking in Facebook groups, and it just became fun. And somebody asked me to do a swap, and I didn't know what a swap was, and I was like, okay. So I tried some stuff, and hey, I love it. I really do. It is the most fun and relaxing thing. And now I have my little craft room and stuff set up, and it is really fun and relaxing, and I love it. So if you're looking for something to do and something relaxing, take your mind off stuff, it's probably the best thing to do. So join us and have fun. So thanks for watching.